Another day, another galit ang mata ng baby girl ko, Charot. So, today ay pupunta kami sa city at igagala namin si mother. Wait, daddy. So, they have only a red and white theme today. Ah, si mother, oh. Maabot mo yan, ma? Teka. Where's daddy?
That shoots is the wish of Bonnie and Ben. Dolls that'll talk and then go for a walk is the hope of Janice and Jen. And Mom and Dad can hardly wait for school to start again. It's beginning to look a lot like everywhere you go. There's a tree in the Grand Hotel, one in the park as well. It's a sturdy kind that doesn't mind the snow.
Bisita ka, maasa na yun? So, nag-wait kami for the show later. Ay, nagpahinga sila. So, dito muna kami upo-upo. Upo-upo muna time. Habang nag-aantay ng show later. So, habang kami ay nag-aantay sa show, ay pumunta muna kami dito sa Yara River na manood ng boating. May boat kasi at saka dito naman sa isa ay para silang may party yata. So may inaantay pang ibang guests. So ang ganda ng river. Very peaceful at kasama ko yung aking family. So habang kami ay nag-aantay ng show. So enjoy. So, habang ako'y nagpapadidi sa aking little girl. At may lumapit na si Daki. Na akala mo naman ay mayroon akong extra milk. So, Daki, sorry. Kami ay kumakain at nagpadidi sa little girl. Ay, si Daki ay lumapit.
Can I give him some, Mimi?
Lumapit si Daki at nanghingi ng pagkain. Babo.
What?
No. Ducky. What you want, Ducky?
He's hungry though.
Mama bird, oh. Dito. Dumadami. Lumalapit sa iyo, Madero. Dito lumalapit. Pero sa Pinas, lumalayo kasi for sure kawali ang kahihitnan nila.
Ala, salampati.
Salampati, oh. Kalapati.
Kalapati.
Kalapati. Mababa ang lipad. Yan. So, yan ang ano nila dito. Kaya hindi sila takot sa human. Hindi takot sila sa tao. Sila pa ang lumalapit. Pero sa Pinas, tao ang lumalapit sa ibon. Kasi otherwise, danger ang buhay nila doon. Lao na, Mao. Tingnan mo yan. Ano yan, Mao? Yung itim. Ay, yung itim. Anong... What bird is that, Hane? The black one.
Kanang isa, kanang ito.
The black one. What bird is that?
Ang buto sarap. Ang klase na. Looks like a waterfall.
Ha?
Ay.
Is it?
Ang taga-andan. Akala niya. Ito.
At may mga
Saan mo tungod yun?
nag-practice.
It's like a canoe with
Kano?
they call it hops. I'm not sure what it's called. It's used in all of these.
Yeah. The... Having practice. Balat dito, galing sa Pinas.
Word camp, and as camp as Christmas. Will was telling me in the dressing room that as a kid his father would say, "You're as camp as Christmas, oh my God," as if it was a bad thing, as if being queer, as if being a boy and camp was a really bad thing. Make a big boo sound. That's right, tonight here at Campus Christmas, we are about reclaiming our campness, our queerness, our boldness, our queer joy, awesomeness in the front row.
Take the video before another chance comes.
20 days until Christmas. Lots of people in the city. Trams is everywhere. Look at the trams. Nakakaiba ngayon kasi walang lights. Dati ay mayroon siyang Christmas lights in the middle. So this time wala. And let's see, we are in the Myers. So every year talaga ay dumadagsa ang mga tao dito at pinipilahan talaga tong area na to si Myers dahil nagdi-display sila ng iba't ibang story about. Now this time is Legos. Last year is about Australian Zoo.